Harihi Om, my dear holy souls. I am Mata Anantananda, Sri Sadguru Shivarama Avadhuta Ashramam, Kamavaram village, Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh, state from Bharat, that is India. Under the caption of Wonderful Indian Folk Stories, we are enjoying the adventurous stories of Bhatti and Vikramaditya, the historical personalities of ancient India. In that series of videos, this is the 34th one. This is the story of Madanasena, first part. This is the 10th story of Bhetala told to Vikramaditya. There are some twists, hence I divided it into two parts. Main incidents in this story are: there was a city by name Kosala in the country of Magadha. The king of that city was Dhiravira. In that city, there was a rich Vaishya businessman, Dhanadatta. His son was Madanasen and his daughter was Madanasena. Her marriage was fixed with Samudragupta. A man, Dharmadatta, decided on her. Her marriage with Samudragupta, her faith and chastity. The outcoming skills from this story are: will inspire by observing Madanasena's pure behavior and unhypocrisy, will induce to behave sincerely. Let us enter into this story. And I am reminding you, these stories are told to Bhoja Maharaja by the second idol of Golden Throne, Madanabhisheka Valli. And in that, this is Bhetala's issue. As I already told you, there was a city by name Kosala in the country of Magadha. It was a rich city and comfortable one. The king of that city was Dhiravira. All the names of the characters are very beautiful in this and meaningful also in this story. In that city, there was a rich Vaisya businessman, Dhanadatta. He had no children for a long time. He and his wife had performed so many devotions, and according to Hindu tradition, so many, they penance like anything. Then, after a long time, with the generosity of God Shiva, they had a son. They kept the name as Madana Sen. And after some few years, after 5-6 years, they got another daughter. They kept the name as Madana Sena. Both the children are very cute, and they were the parents, Dhanadatta and his wife. They were very care about their children, and they made them to learn all the sciences like which are suitable to them, and they grown up. They became very, Madanasen was very handsome and Madanasena was very beautiful, and they learned so many arts and sciences, and people are praising them. And by hearing the beauty and the faithful character of Madanasena, so many matches were came. Among that, Dhanadatta had selected a match for her, who were living in some other city, and his name was Samudragupta. He was also rich and well educated young man. Then the date of marriage was fixed, and days were passing happily. By that time, one day, Madanasena had a childhood friend, Dharmadatta. They were very close friends. And as well, Madanasen and Madanasena, being brother and sister, they were very affectionate towards each other. Madanasen was very affectionate and very careful about his sister. And this girl, Madanasena, also had very gratitude towards her brother. And she was very loving to him. And in such a situation, the friend of Madanasen, the Dharmadatta, one day came to their house to meet his friend. By that time, Madanasen was not there. He had gone out on some other work which deputed by his parents. And Dharmadatta was waiting for his friend in front of the house. At that time, in the garden itself, this girl Madana Sena, along with other friends, she was playing there. That was Friday. She was by wearing good clothes and dress and ornaments and flowers on the hair. She looks like a divine girl. She was very beautiful, and she seems that like a moon surrounded by the stars, like that. She was like a lotus flower. And then by watching her beauty and glory, the glow, Dharmadatta felt very lustful on her. He was a nice behaviored man, and he learned, educated person. He know that it is not the right thing, because her brother was his friend. He should not feel like that. He got such sense, but he was not able to overcome the lust on her. Then he looked for her for several minutes, and then he realized his mistake, and then he left from there to his house. But even throughout the night he couldn't sleep, and he was not able to forget her beauty. Then next day he came to her house, and by watch he met her alone and appealed his lust on her. And he said, Madansena, I know that you are sister of my friend, but I am not able to control my lust on you. I want to have your company. Otherwise, I can't live. Please accept my proposal. Be with me for some time. Let us enjoy the company with each other. By hearing that, Madanasena felt surprised and frightened like anything. After a few seconds, she replied, Dharmadatta, you know that my marriage was fixed with Samudragupta, and I'm the sister of your friend. I'm treating my brother and you as similar. But I didn't expect this much of lust proposal from you. It's not right. You know the faith and sin. It's not right. She said like that. But Dharmadatta continued to appeal her. And he said, without your company, I lost my life. I can't control. Please accept. By hearing such a repeated appeal, Madanasena said, okay, I don't like to that I'll be cause for your death. So I'm accepting your desire. But please wait for just 10 days. After 10 days, my marriage is there to perform. Before having time with my husband, before having sex with my husband, I'll come to you. Please, up to that time, you please control your feelings and be wait with patience. She said like that. Dharmadatta had taken leave from her and had gone to his house, and he was waiting for the time and spending the time like even a second is for him it is like an era, like an year, like that. Days passed, 10 days passed. Then her marriage was performed in grand scale. Everybody who attended their marriage, they praised the couple. The bride and bridegroom were very matched to each other. And they said like that. And Samudragupta also felt very happy by watching the beauty and behavior of his wife Madanasena. And by night, they arranged the first night for the newlywed couple. And in that room, she approached her husband and put namaskar to him. Then Samudragupta felt very happy, and he reached her to hug her. Just a minute, she slipped from there, and she said, My dear husband, please hear one of my requests. By feeling surprised, Samudra Gupta said, okay, Madanasena, tell me. Without any hesitation, you can reveal your request to me. Then Madanasena said, before our marriage, just 10 years, 10 days back, a man, Dharmadatta, who is a deep, close friend of my brother, had appealed me and he put a proposal to have sex with me. Without such experience, he said that he may lost life. He can't control his feelings like that. Then I told him that I'll come to you before I have time with my husband. I promised him like that. If you give permission to me, I'll go there and I'll satisfy his desire. She said like that. And Samudra Gupta felt very surprised on it. And he thought inside, my wife, this Madanasena, is not a normal girl. If any girl in her younger age, if she wants to have time, have company or sex with some other person, they can perform it without the notice of anybody. They can maintain the secrecy. But without doing such things, she had given all the information to me and she's asking my permission. This is very indifferent thing, abnormal thing. Okay, let me see what will happen. By thinking like that, Samudra Gupta said, okay, go there and come back. And then she started with that bridal makeup. She was walking towards the house of Dharmadatta. And about to certain distance, Samudragupta was following her. He wanted to watch what will happen. Then she had gone, she was walking on the road and roads were empty. Nobody was there because of night. And it was somewhat a dark night. And on the way, she had seen a temple of goddess Durga. And she had gone inside and put devotion there, and she put namaskar to Devi and prayed like this, oh mother, please save me from sin. You please save my chastity. She said like that, and she prayed and turned back. What she had seen, a terrible thief who was very strong, stood in front of her. She felt frightened like anything. What will happen in the remaining story we'll enjoy in the coming up video. Harihi Om. Thank you for watching.